guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I have a little unboxing for you all. I believe this package is from BTARTBOX. They sent me a couple of their soft gel tips, I believe. So I wanted to open this with you guys so we can see what it's all about. And apparently they are the easiest things there are on the market to getting a gelx application. So I'm super excited to bust this open. You guys, it's been a very long time since I've made a video. Shit, can you see my address? Okay, let me switch that around then. But anyways, it's been a very long time since the last time I made a video, which I strongly apologize for. However, I'm making it up to you guys now. How's everyone doing? How's life going? That's a legit question. Honestly, I don't even know if I told you guys that I was in nail school now. Your girl's in nail school, getting that license popping off. So, ooh. Sorry if I was making a lot of noise with the plastic, you guys. I didn't even think about that, so my bad. Okay, so let's open it. So inside, I did get to choose the tips that I wanted, which was really nice. So thank you, BTARTBOX, for sending me these items for me to try out with my clients, on myself, show them to my subbies. I know a lot of you guys also follow me because of my gelx dupe application video that I did, whatever it was called. I'm gonna link it down below so you can check that out if you haven't seen it. But I'm really excited to show you guys these tips now that there's so many versions on the market and so many different styles, shapes, lengths, all of it. So I did choose these three here, and these are the BTARTBOX X-Coat Tips 3-in-1 Soft Gel System. You can soak these off. These also have a tip primer underneath, the soft gel tips, and then the base coat, and they're supposed to fit all nail beds, which I think is really cool and important because a lot of the times you'll either have the naturals or the sculpted. So with these, you don't have to worry about having too many different variations, which is really nice. They're supposed to save you so much time. Like, they're already pre-buffed for you, they're already shaped for you. In fact, they even have the French done for you, which I'm so excited for these because my clients love French, and I've actually got a lot of them to switch over to the gelx application that was doing acrylic, and they are obsessed. And I just love that these already have the French down. So this will work like even as a little template for you. You can go on and paint over the French if you want to. You could do so many things with these nails, and that's why I'm so excited about them. I did choose these ones are the French nail tips brown long square. And also I do love that they have the instructions on how they recommend for you to apply using obviously their system, but then they also have all their handles over here. So if you're not following them, be sure to give them a follow, see what else they have to offer, see how they do their applications, and maybe they might have some other tips and tricks for you guys as well. So these are these, and I'm so excited because I don't ever recall seeing like a gelx brand have a brown base, which is really cool, especially for my deeper tone clients. Even for myself, I love a good nude, so I'm really excited about these. And look at that shape, look at the shape, they're beautiful. Let me take it out of the package actually. Do you guys, I don't know, are you guys seeing this? Like, are you seeing this? Look at that shape. The shape is beautiful. You get 15 sizes, which I think is insane. Like, you should definitely be able to find your size. And they come on this little thing here. So starting at 0 all the way down to 15. This is crazy, and I have really big thumbs. So let's see. I'm normally a 0 with any brand that I use. Most of the time I'm a 0. And look at that, sidewall to sidewall. It fits. I'm so excited. Do you guys see that? Like, look how perfect. Look how perfect that is. Don't mind my crusty fingers. They're about to get done, you guys. They're about to get done right now. But look at that. That is beautiful. So with these, you also get, let's see if you can see, 1, 2, 3, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Yes. So in this one, you get 10 of these. So in this kit, you get 300 pairs. Not 300 pairs, but 300 pieces, which I think that's why the packaging was a little bit bigger as well, because you get more in the ones with the brown base, which is pretty cool. I'm really excited about these. I can't wait to see how they look on. So then I also got these, and these have more of the natural pinky base. This one, I'm assuming, has 150 pieces, again, because the packaging is a lot smaller, and you can see you get a little bit less than what's in here. Oh, they don't put which ones these are. However, I do believe these are the pink short coffin, if I'm not mistaken. I am going to link everything down below, especially if I can find them on Amazon. I will have them linked in my Amazon storefront for you guys to find them easily. Yes, I will make a tiny, tiny commission if you do purchase it from my link. So it's up to you. I mean, I am putting you on, so it wouldn't hurt. And while I have you guys, remember, it's completely free to subscribe, like, comment, share, and support your favorite content creators. It really helps me out a lot if you did engage with me. So please be sure that you do that. If you want to see more of these videos from me, I would really appreciate it. And also, what I didn't realize is that in each one of these little kits, they also include even more instructions on how you should apply. So you should never have any issues with your application. And then this set here, I believe, is the natural base or the nude base, medium coffin. And this is what they look like here, which I think these are going to be a staple within my collection for my clients. This is something I feel like I do on top of acrylic all the time. So this is going to be perfect. And again, this is the thumb, the biggest size, sidewall to sidewall, which is exactly what you want. That's how the nail tip should fit. And if you guys have any questions or if you have anything you'd like for me to answer or anything, please feel free to comment down below. I love to write back to you guys. So if you need anything, any tips, anything, you let me know. So I don't know which ones I'm going to apply, but I am going to apply one of these today. I do already have my nails like a little prepped, nothing too crazy. So yeah, I'm probably going to do a little voiceover on this part of the video. But before we go, I just want to say a big thank you to BTARTBOX again for sending me these products to try out for you guys. And let's get into the demo. Well, welcome to the demo part of this video, you guys. In this clip here, I will be sizing my tips sidewall to sidewall. You'll see me making sure. You want to make sure, you guys, that there are no gaps in between these nails. That will cause lifting and your nail set won't last as long as you want it to. And with these, we obviously want them to last as long as possible, since we are going to be adhering them with builder gel, so that they are going to last. And as you can see, I am going to be filing by the cuticle. Guys, please do not be scared to customize these nails to fit even more perfect to your actual nail. That's what you're going to see me doing here. And then I did wipe off whatever dust or dirt or oils that I may have had on my nails, because I did want these to last. And like, I'm very hard with my hands, especially like in the industry I work in. I'm also going to be using my goose neck lamp that I got off of Amazon. I will link it down below. This is what I use for my flash curing. So I do flash cure for about 10 to 15 seconds before inserting my whole hand into my nail lamp and curing for a full 60 seconds. Now, normally you would go in and buff this part, but again, these are already done for you, so less work for you. You don't have to do that. And if anyone is wondering, I do normally use the BTARTBOX Pro Drill. However, mine finally broke after 3 years of usage. I've been using this since the beginning of my nail journey. I will have it linked down below. It just got a little shortage in the hand piece, so if anyone knows, like, if it's replaceable, let me know. And then I remembered that I did not show you guys how strong these nails are. They're super flexible by the cuticle, but at the tip, they're strong, nice and sturdy, which I appreciate so much. So for this application, I am going to be using an extend gel from a different brand, but please feel free to use whatever you have on hand. BTARTBOX didn't send me over their 28 plus gel solid glue, which I can't wait to try because it looks so freaking amazing. And I really think that might be the secret to keeping nails on, like gelx on, longer. So with my extend gel, I am going to paint the inside of the nail to where I think it's going to touch my natural nail. And then I will scrape off the excess that's still on the brush by the cuticle area. And then you're going to apply on a 45-degree angle, pressing softly down, and you will see the gel start to run down to the tip. That's when you want to cure. You don't want to have too much overflow. You don't want the nails to have a bunch of that underneath. And then I'm such a perfectionist, you guys. You don't have to do this, but you can. I am going to file the little white tab off the tip, and then I am going to shape the nails up just so that way they complement my hand shape a lot better. It's just something that I have to do self-consciously. I just don't like when my nails look a little wide, just in my opinion. And if you wanted to, you could completely stop at this point and just go in with a top coat. However, for me, I just have to do this up. These tips are melted so nicely, you don't have to do this, but for me, I feel like if I don't, it looks like I have press-ons on. So it's just a mental thing that I do, so I know like it looks more like an acrylic set. And then I am going to trace the French design with a rhinestone glue from a cart. I'm going to use that because then I'm going to sprinkle some glitter on top of it. I just wanted to jazz up this French set so it's not so basic. We could give it a little you know what I'm talking about. And please do this with a color if you want to. If you wanted to do like red French tips or pink French tips, literally so easy. It's the perfect template for you. You can't go wrong with these. And they also have these soft gel tips without the French as well, so be sure to check those out as well. Then I'm going to sprinkle the glitter on. Once I sprinkle on the glitter, I am going to cure it for about 30 seconds and then dust off the excess glitter. And then I will go in with a no wipe top coat just to seal everything in. The glitter stays in place and you don't have glitter falling all over the place. Remember, you guys, to use my discount code down below so that you can save some money off of your purchase. Thank you to BTARTBOX for sending me these products to try out. They are amazing and I can't wait to continue to use them on myself and on my clients. Everything I use today will be linked down below, and don't forget before you leave to subscribe, like, comment, and share. I will see you guys in my next video. Thank you so much for sticking around. Bye-bye.